Good morning, student. This is Manoj sir. Welcome back in KpsG YouTube channel. Students, you all have started this chapter compound interest in the previous classes. Okay, now here I'm going to just repeat or revise this chapter once again for you. So just let's start with the formula first. You might be knowing the formula of finding the compound interest through simple interest. So here, as you know that simple interest equals to P into R into T by 100. This is the general formula for finding the simple interest. Okay, so by using this formula we are going to compute compound interest. Okay, so let's start with the sums from your exercise 2.1. So here I'm going to solve one question from this exercise. Now question number 3 of your book to exercise number 2.1. The question is calculate the compound interest for the second year on rupees 8,000 invested for 3 years at 10% per annum. Okay, just you see the book of your book and you just see the question number 3 here. So what we are given in this question, we are given 2-3 things. First, principal is given, that is rupees 8,000. Okay, and then what else? Rate of interest R is given 10% per annum. Okay, and then the time is given, time is also given, it is how much? 3 years. Now what the question is asking to you? Question is asking to calculate the compound interest for the second year. Okay, so one by one method, that means year by year method, we are going to find out the interest and then amount, then interest and then amount. Okay, so here you first write interest for first year. Okay, interest for first year. So formula is P into R into T. P is how much? It's 8,000. Okay, and P into R is given 10%, time is only for 1 year, so you just calculate how much you are getting. See here, it's rupees 800. This is the interest for the first year. Okay, now when you add this interest to the principal, you will get the amount for the amount at the end of first year. So amount at the end of first year, what would be the amount? Amount equals to principal plus interest. Okay, so what is principal? Principal, that was rupees 8,000 and plus 800 is the interest. So you add it, you will get 8,800. This is the the amount at the end of the first year. Now this amount would be principal for the second year. So here you write principal for second year, it would be rupees 8,800. Okay, now you calculate interest for second year. Interest for second year, now again use the formula of SI. Principal, that is 8,800. okay, rate it 10%. Now again for 1 year, just you calculate. Okay, it's very simple. So it's 880. This is the interest for the second year. Now what the question was asking? To calculate the interest for second year. So this is the answer, the first answer. Okay, and now the question is to calculate compound interest for the third year. So again you write write the amount at the end of second year. Amount equals to principal, that was 8,800 and plus 880. So it would be how much? 0, 8, 6 and 9. This is the amount at the end of second year. Okay, now this amount would be again the principal for the third year. So here again principal for third year equals to rupees 9,680. This is the principal for third year. Now we will calculate the interest for third year. Now here simple interest for third year, again formula principal was it's much 9,680 into rate 10% again for 1 year. Just you calculate, cancel it, you will get rupees 968. This is the what? This is the interest at the end of third year. Fine. Now amount at the end of third year, it would be 9680 plus 968. When you add this, what will get here? It's a 8 4, then 6 and 10. This is what the amount at the end of third year. Now what are the first question to calculate the interest for second year? So here compound interest for second year was, we calculated now how much it was, 880, and the second question was to calculate what? To calculate the sum due at the end of third year. So here sum due at the end of third year was rupees 10,648. So these two was the answer of this question. Okay, we will solve one more questions to make your concept more clear. Understood? Now look at question number 7 of your book. Okay, question number 7. What question says? Question says that Mr. Lalit invests rupees 5,000 at a certain rate of interest compounded annually for 2 years. At the end of first year, it amounts to rupees 5325. So calculate the rate of interest, and the second part is the amount at the end of second year to nearest rupees. So here first what we are given? We are given principal, that is rupees 5,000, isn't it? And then the amount after first year. So amount after first year, what amount he receives? He receives amount 5325. This is the amount he receives. So simply you find the interest for first year. Interest for first year, amount minus principal. Okay, so amount is rupees 5325 and principal is rupees 5,000. So you will get 325. This is the interest for first year. Fine. Now for calculating rate of interest, our formula you know na, SI into 100 divided by P into T. Okay, so SI is 325 into 100, P was rupees 5,000 and time is for 1 year. Now you calculate 0 0 cancel. Okay, then 5 10 ja, then 5 6 30 and 5 5 25. So it's a 6.5% per annum. This is the rate of interest which the question is asking. Now second part of this question is what? It is the amount at the end of second year to nearest rupees. So first we will calculate what? So amount at the end of first is already given. Okay, amount at the end of first year, it is already given na. It is about how much? 5325. Okay, this is the amount at the end of first year. Now this amount would be the principal for the second year. Okay, so principal for second year, the same thing, rupees 5325. Now interest, you find interest for second year. What the interest formula is? Principal, that is 5325 into rate, that was 6.5. You got it, into 1 by 100. Now you just calculate, you will get 346.125. This is the interest for the second year. Now we will add to principal to get the amount, final amount. Okay, what the amount at the end of second year. Amount goes to principal plus what is principal? This is the principal. 5325 is the principal, and interest you receive this much So it's a 346.125. When you add these two, you will get 5671.125. This is the final amount at the end of second year. Now the question is asking to find out in the nearest rupees. So here you can see, after decimal the number is 1. This digit is less than 5, so we'll write the nearest rupees would be 5671. This is the final answer nearest to the rupees. Okay, this is how we calculate today two questions. Tomorrow we will solve some more questions, some more difficult questions in this chapter. Till that, you revise at home. Okay, practice at home, because very soon you will get your examination. Fine, so keep on revising the sums, doing the sums, practice the mathematics. Okay, till that, stay at home, stay safe. Thank you, students.